Hi.
What is that?
I'm here to ask you on a date. I brought you these flowers.
How'd you get my address?
I'm a member of a subreddit.
I'm not going on a date with you.
We play chess, and if I win, I take you on a date.
Okay, fine, deal.
Deal?
Okay, Hans, game time.
Good luck.
This is not speed.
You want to feel the speed?
You're not even playing on
You
your
want
time.
to feel the comments we make. Oh no.
He cheated.
Yeah, like
Hans' next cheating skill.
Oh no.
No! Rigged. Double or nothing. Double or nothing. I get redemption.
What do I get?
I don't know. I'll bring in a Kremling or something. Double date.
No.
One Hans, two chess players. Sounds like a good deal.
I'm not gonna respond to that joke.
Okay, redemption. Look, we can film it for your channel. It'll be a good distribution of content.
Oh, now we're talking.
But if I win, no dates.
Sure.
Okay, deal.
And now I'm curious to hear some reactions from Hans in Miami.
Hans, yesterday was a terrible day for you, and today you start out with a masterpiece. How would you summarize it?
Chess speaks for itself.
Is it something special doing this against Magnus, Hans?
Well, yeah, I'm just absolutely miserable. Like, I just would really like to do just, yeah, like the fact that that happened is a miracle, yeah. Like a complete miracle, because I literally, like, the fact that I have not, like, already gone to the mini bar and pulled a Magnus is like, or the fact that I haven't, like, just jumped in the pool, or like the fact that I'm alive at this moment is a miracle, because after I lost this first game, I think I was really just ready to just go into the ocean and never come back.
But do you think that speed that you put up, the intuitiveness of your chess, is a way of resetting and getting back to the real Hans Niemann?
No. I wanted to lose as quickly as possible, so I could go back to my hotel room and turn all the lights off, order some delivery, and watch Netflix and numb the pain until the next game.
I'm hoping that is not the same mind frame you had before game before.
No, it's the exact same, and it's going to. And I think my Uber Eats in this event is already. It's I think maybe $1,000 in Uber Eats. So I have been indulging and numbing the pain with $1,000 of Uber Eats.
How difficult, can you try to explain to those who do not get to play chess on the top level how difficult it is to reset psychologically after not playing up to your standard?
Winning is the reset. Anyone who tells you that there's a secret to getting over a loss that isn't winning is simply lying. The only way to get over a loss and reset is by winning. It's not going to a room and singing Kumbaya and pretending that everything's okay. It's going to the next game and winning the game. So I haven't done that. So of course I'm not going to be not going to recover, because like it's not like I should go for a walk and do some yoga to relax. It's like, no, the solution is to win. And I haven't done that yet. So.
We're joined by Hans Niemann, who unfortunately lost this game, finishing with 2 losses and a bad day also yesterday. Hans, what's going on?
Well, I'm not winning. I cannot explain the way that I'm playing. I don't even know why you asked me for an interview. I'm very embarrassed myself, and it's just there's no words to explain how ridiculously bad at chess I am. Chess is just it's a game that sucks all the life out of you, and if you just look at what happened to Fischer. Chess is a very very bad game, and it is just terrible, and it just sucks the life out of you. So we'll see how long I last in the chess world.
My opponents are playing terribly. I'm like, what are these guys doing? I thought they're supposed to be top players.
Always, congratulations on your performance so far. Definitely a big day for you, beating the world champion with the black pieces.
It's not bad, yeah. He played quite poorly, so I didn't do anything special. He just went. Well, okay, I think I played quite well. But I was actually very fortunate that this opening came on the board, and I looked at this today. And
You guessed this opening
no,
today?
I didn't guess it, but for some miracle, I had checked this today, and it's such a ridiculous miracle that I don't even remember why I checked it. I just when I saw, I just remembered H6 and everything after this, and I have no idea why I would check such a ridiculous thing. But I checked it, and I even knew that the Bishop E6 is just very good. Like, it's so ridiculous that I checked it, but
So you actually this morning had this position.
yeah, even farther.
Bishop A2. It didn't like your knight C4.
What should I
that
play
much.
instead?
I think it wanted to take on G4 because it thinks that the endgame after Bishop takes C4 is a draw. Actually, it doesn't think, it knows. But it's difficult, of course.
To say that Bishop C4 is a draw is like the most computer thing ever. Like, I guarantee you, turn the engine off, you ask 100 grandmasters,
Yeah.
Bishop C4, Rook A4, E5, Rook A4, what is the evaluation? Like, maybe 99 will say it's lost. Like, I don't even want you to explain it to me, because then it will just, I will lose my humanity.
Okay,
Even
well,
listening to
let's
this.
keep your humanity, so let's keep going.
Like,
A4 was
like if
played.
you want to explain to me that Bishop C4 is a draw, like, then you should just, I'm not a chess player anymore, right? I was very happy with what I did here. Right? So Bishop D5.
Yeah. Would it surprise you to know that this position is actually holdable for white?
Okay, but again, we're speaking different languages here. Right? I think he's just so demoralized because he's losing to such an idiot like me. It's just, it must be embarrassing for the world champion to lose to me. I feel bad for him.
Hans, a tough game here against Alireza Firouzja. You seem a bit concerned. Do you think you missed a chance?
Of course I missed a chance. Doesn't take a genius to figure that out.
So, Hans, we gotta ask you, what are the players feeling seeing that Magnus Carlsen didn't show up for the game today?
Yeah, but at least I got to beat him before he left. That's the good thing.
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty ridiculous. But wow. So, okay. Yeah, I see. I guess he just didn't want me to win the tournament, so he had to leave, He knew that would happen.
I guess that was the only reason, yes?
Can't think of anything else. Magnus opening. Okay. Now, let's get to that. So people were saying that there was no idea why I checked this. Well, first of all, people are absolute idiots because I have never cheated in an over-the-board game. When I was 12 years old, I have never, ever, and I would never do that. That is the worst thing I could ever do, cheat in a tournament with prize money. Now, I made that mistake, and this is something, it's not something I was doing consistently. Never when I was streaming did I cheat. Never did I misrepresent my strength. So I made this mistake. But the main thing that I want to say is that I am not going to let chess.com, I'm not going to let Magnus Carlsen, I'm not going to let Hikaru Nakamura, the three arguably biggest entities in chess, simply slander my reputation. I can come to the game, I can completely strip. You want to do any fair play check to me you want, I don't care, because I know that I'm clean, and they could literally tell me the most ridiculous thing. If they want me to strip fully naked, I'll do it, I don't care, because...
Shah in the background there also entering the playing area, and they're checking that. Is that the chewing gum? We gotta check the chewing gum there.
We need revenue for this commercial.
Yeah. What kind of chewing gum we got?
Yes, and we also can see now on our screens Hans Niemann. Everybody is checked carefully. But what was interesting, the arbiter said yesterday during the technical meeting that no matter what, the time will start, yes, of the clock.
We will start at
Yes.
1, said Frank
Yes.
Guadalupe. Yes, our chief arbiter, Chris Bird, is the chief arbiter for the ladies. Yes. Right. And Arena is like, come on, come on, let's get going.
And you see there's somebody else being wanted in the back as well. So there.
And then the way you get the most views is I pretend like I didn't notice it, and I'm like,
Then he wants to go king c7.
No, he takes bishop.
And
What?
it's a big
He's
blunder.
finish hanging.
Rook into h4. Oh my god.
It's fake. Oh, LSF. Oh, XQC. Okay, bang, bang, boom, bang, bang. Takes. Oh, check there. Okay, GG, yo, GG. Oh, Hans is so immature. Hans is so immature. Hans is so immature. Oh, Levy, let's do sub battles. Oh, Levy, come do sub battles. Okay, Levy. Oh, Levy with the raid. Oh, Levy, I got you with the raid. Oh, you want another raid, Levy? Oh, I got you with the raid. Oh, you want another one? Oh, Levy. Every single raid you want, Levy.
I can't leave him waiting like this. I feel what did he say? He said done? He said no? He said no? Wait, no. He remembers!
Oh, very polite kid. How? Dude, no, Magnus. Dude, Magnus.
How am I this good at this game? How am I this good? Holy shit!
Oh, I don't think he should have resigned that. He should have played on.
He was just very disappointed.
It's amazing. He missed Rook G1, Rook G3.
Oh my god!
I mean, with 10-20 seconds, yeah, Rook takes b4 and resigns.
Wait, you said mate in 6.
Yeah.
So if I can stop it, if I can do, if you're not in trouble, if I'm not in trouble in 6,
yeah,
I go here. Now on. And then I go here.
And then I go there.
Thank you. Let's go again.
Simple counting.
Let's go.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah! I was gonna scream, but then my neighbor would kill me. Describe it. Well, it's completely fucked that the laptop is just running out of power, and because the laptop runs out of power, of course he has all the time to think in the world to find all the best moves, and he has 20 seconds, and then he sits there for 5 minutes, gets to find all the best moves. So the fact that the laptop runs out of power completely threw me off, and it's just completely ridiculous. It should not be happening. Like, plug the fuck in, and I shouldn't be losing a game because like he gets 5 extra minutes to think and finds the best moves.
He is so, like, the level of mind-boggling trickery that's going on in this guy's head makes me like, dude, it's okay. That's a compliment, by the way. Again, not saying anything bad. That's a compliment. But the level of freaking like, is just so freaking insane. Like, I'm calculating these lines, and I'm like calculating, like, what the actual shit? How does his brain work like this? But I don't even think he's actually calculating it. I just think he has this Jedi sense that he just knows it's the best move.
There's a really cool draw here. This is such a sick draw. Guys, watch this. Watch this. Oh, yes.
No! Oh, A4! Unbelievable!
Oh, and look at Hans with the fist bump.
Oh, he mouse slipped! Oh, he mouse slipped! Oh,
look at his face! Look at his face!
He mouse slipped!
Case in the chess community, you should be banned. You should never be allowed to even go to a chess tournament. I guess I'm his kid. He just adopted me. So my father Hikaru. Hikaru. So my father Hikaru is actually he adopted me. Because it's kind of personal. I really want to get into it.
Maybe I'm lying. You can take. Oh, maybe am I getting mated? Wow, that's
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Wait, but the rook on d1 is hanging, no? With check.
Yes.
And then I can. I'm sorry. Is this like a joke? Am I like a prank? Like, could I take the rook? Like, I'm sorry.
It's just a draw.
It's just a draw.
Yeah. Okay. You're spending too much time with the computers. I'm sorry. Like, I don't. I think this variation speaks for itself. Like, this is no. And you see a lot of people struggle to break through, and then go and do stuff like commentating and podcasting, which is for the people who just don't have the mental strength to actually win chess games. So,
I feel attacked.
Yeah,
that's okay.
It just isn't for everyone, and I just completely misevaluated this. But he has a very ridiculous draw. So the draw here
Yes.
b3. He has to play f6
and rook h5.
Yeah, that is.
Did you guys discuss this position after our game?
It's funny, we both actually just missed, even after the game, we just completely missed rook h5, yeah. Oh
so
my
at
God.
this point, I think, or
Wait,
he
so
thought that
king
you
A2?
guys should be going into that variation.
So king a2?
Yes.
Rook b5?
Yes.
Rook g6?
Rook f5 now.
And b2?
That's a good question.
Okay, I guess that is just. Okay.
And you're not getting checkmated.
I guess
somehow.
I guess humans make these mistakes. So,
By the way, I think we might have missed something like a6. Giving the checks.
Oh my god. Now king b7, and this is very weird, because I was thinking king e7. No, king e7 and take.
B7 game.
And take. And then here, I wasn't sure. Oh my God!
That's some sort of a study, like. Yeah?
Okay, I would have found it if I reached this.
Do you have a discount in this place? Why do you hide it?
Let's just say that I was making an order, and they knew my order, and the guy said to me, this order speaks for itself.
Thank you, Yasser. We are with Hans Niemann after an incredible victory with the black pieces against a fellow junior. Christopher Yu. Hans, first of all, let's address the elephant in the room. You've been under a lot of pressure. Tell us a bit about that.
Well, I think that this game is a message to everyone, and this entire thing started with me saying chess speaks for itself, and I think that this game spoke for itself and showed the chess player that I am, and it also showed that I'm not going to back down, and I'm going to play my best chess here, regardless of the pressure that I'm under, and that's all I have to say about this game. And chess speaks for itself. That's all I can say.
Let's discuss the game a little bit.
That's it. But you can leave it to your interpretation. But thank you.
That's it. All
yes.
you want to say.
That's all I'd like
today.
to say. Yes, because
Okay,
it was
Hans.
such a beautiful game. I don't even need to describe it.
Thank you.
What? That's it? Okay. I actually had one question. If we're still in studio, I guess not.
No, Hans has disappeared. But
I wanted to ask about the knight takes d5 moment.
I don't think he wanted to speak about the game.
Answer the knight takes d5
He
moment.
came into the studio and he said, we're not going to analyze the game. I just want to say something, and that was it.
it was a message for the world, and he spoke with his moves today.
My opponent blundered a piece on move 10. For not resigning, his punishment was that I had to promote to 3 knights, and I gave him a nightmare.
What'd you do? Watch the instant replay.